rail fans, welcome back to another video here on the Rusty Boxcar channel. Today we've got coming at you another one of the Tennessee Central Railway Museum's excursion trains. We actually caught this one on February 12th. This is a wine tasting train, making its way from downtown Nashville out to Watertown and back. It's going to be about a 6.5 hour excursion. Was led up on this day by two Nashville and Eastern B40-8Ws. So we've got 574 in the lead, 579 behind it. It was the only power on the train, so they'll turn, well not turn, but they'll disconnect the power at Watertown and come back around the train and hook back up to the back of it to pull it back towards Nashville on the second leg of the loop. We caught this one at Mount Juliet, right before they get to Mount Juliet Road. So get some nice horn action and pretty close video of the train. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you do, please give us a thumbs up down below. Hit that like button. Also, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And we will see you back soon. Thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click on the thumbs up below to give us a like. Also, please click on the Rusty Boxcar logo on the right side of the screen to get a subscription to the channel. And send us a comment. Really enjoy reading all your comments, and I try to respond to each one of them. Thanks, and have a nice day.